Jai Hind everyone, my name is Gagandeep and I welcome you all on our YouTube channel named Proud NCC। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 25 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन यूर एनसीसी एंट्रेंस एग्जाम। सो आज की क्लास का जो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है दैट इज़ हु इज़ द हेड ऑफ इंडियन आर्मी। इंडियन आर्मी के हेड कौन होते हैं, कौन सी रैंक के होते हैं, ये चीज़ हमको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करनी है कि इंडियन आर्मी के जो हेड होते हैं वो किस रैंक के होते हैं। तो जनरल रैंक के होते हैं। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में ये बताना, यू हैव टू टेल इन द कमेंट बॉक्स दैट हु इज़ द चीफ ऑफ द इंडियन आर्मी राइट नाउ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच ब्रांच ऑफ द इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्स इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिफेंडिंग द एयर स्पेस। Which of the branch of the Indian Armed Forces is responsible for defending the airspace? Airspace को अगर defend करना है then who is responsible? Which branch is responsible? Then Indian Air Force is responsible for securing the airspace of India. Next question, where is the headquarter of Indian Navy located? So the headquarter of Indian Navy is located in the New Delhi. So option number C is the correct answer. Next question, which command of the Indian Army is responsible for defense of Jammu and Kashmir? As you know, there are various commands of the Indian Army. You have to tell how many commands of Indian Army are there in India. So you have to tell that which command of the Indian Army is responsible for the defense of Jammu and Kashmir. सो फॉर द डिफेंस ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर नॉर्दर्न कमांड, यानी कि नॉर्दर्न कमांड, नॉर्थ कमांड जो है दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिफेंस ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द इंडियन एयरफोर्स इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मैनी ऑपरेशनल कमांड। इंडियन एयरफोर्स, हाउ मैनी कमांड्स आर देयर ऑफ इंडियन एयरफोर्स इन इंडिया? सो देयर आर टोटल 6 कमांड। यू हैव टू टेल फॉर आर्मी and for navy also in the comment box. Next question, motto of the state police. So what is the motto of the UP police, Uttar Pradesh police? Satyamev Jayate. Option number C is the correct answer. Which of the following is the motto of Maharashtra police? So duty, honor, compassion. Option number A is the correct answer. Next question, which of these is a training academy for future officer of the Indian Army? You know NDA is the National Defence Academy, that is in Khadagwasla, Pune. Next is IMA. IMA is in Dehradun, Indian Military Academy. OTA is in Officer Training Academy, that is in Chennai. So all of the above, option number D is the correct answer. You have to make sure that NDA stands for the National Defence Academy, IMS stands for the Indian Military Academy, and OTS stands for the Officer Training Academy. Next question, where is the Indian Military Academy located, IMA located? As I have already told you that IMA is located in the Dehradun, so option number B is the correct answer. Pune, NDA is in the Pune. Chennai is the OTA, Officer Training Academy. Okay, so next question, which organization manufactures aircraft for the Indian Armed Forces? So HAL is the correct answer. HAL stands for the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So HAL is responsible for manufacturing aircraft for the Indian Armed Forces. Next is, which of the following manufactures missile for the Indian Armed Forces? So Bharat Dynamic Limited, BDL. BDL stands for Bharat Dynamic Limited. Next question, where is the Western Command of the Indian Army? So Western Command of the Indian Army is located in the Chandi Mandir. So option number C is the correct answer. Which command of the Indian Air Force is located in the Shillong? So in Shillong, Eastern Air Command is located. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following is an aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy? So aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy is INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant is the aircraft carrier of the Indian Navy. Next question, what is the name of the Indian Navy first nuclear submarine? So INS Arihant is the Indian Navy's first nuclear submarine. Can you tell me in the comment box that what is the full form of INS and why it is used before all of the above? So you have to tell me in the comment box that what is the full form of INS. Next, which aircraft was recently inducted in the Indian Air Force? So Rafale. Option number C is the correct answer. Next question, Which aircraft is used by the Indian Air Force for transport purpose? So this is a huge aircraft known as the C-17 Globemaster. You must check it in on the Google. It is really huge. C-17 Globemaster. Next, what is the equivalent rank of captain in the Indian Army? इंडियन आर्मी की रैंक जो कैप्टन है वो किसके इक्विवेलेंट है एयरफोर्स के अंदर? सो स्क्वाड्रन लीडर, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच रैंक ऑफ इंडियन नेवी इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द मेजर इन इंडियन आर्मी? इंडियन आर्मी की जो मेजर रैंक है वो इंडियन नेवी में किसके इक्विवेलेंट है? सो लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर के इक्विवेलेंट है. ऑपरेशन विजय वाज कंडक्टेड टू लिबरेट विच टेरिटरी फ्रॉम फॉरेन रूल? सो गोवा. सो जो गोवा में ऑपरेशन हुआ था उसका नाम भी ऑपरेशन विजय है. और इसके साथ साथ में जो कारगिल वॉर में जो ऑपरेशन हुआ था 1999 के अंदर, जिसके अंदर कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा जी को पीवीसी परमवीर चक्र मिला था. कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा गोट PVC Paramveer Chakra in 1999 during the Kargil war. So that operation was also Operation Vijay. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question, Yuddha Abhyas. There are many military exercises which are conducted between the countries to enhance the skill of the armies between the different countries. So there is a exercise, military exercise name Yuddha Abhyas, that is conducted between India and USA. So United States. Option number B is the correct answer. So military exercise Yuddha Abhyas is conducted between India and USA. Next question. The Malabar exercise is also a military exercise which involves India, USA and Japan. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question. Who was the first Indian chief of the army staff? So first Indian chief of the army staff was General K.M. Kariappa. So option number A is the correct answer. Next question, what is the motto of Indian Air Force? So motto of Indian Air Force is touch the sky with glory. Touch the sky with glory. Option number B is the correct answer. So these are important question, very important question that might come in your NCC entrance exam. If you like this video, then you can subscribe to the channel for more videos. I hope you like it. Until next video, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.